What's up guys, Phil here today with another video. I know I've been on for a week, I was busy. Okay, today I'm here with another unboxing. Today I'll be unboxing this. It's called the Mi Box S. Basically it's an Android powered TV box. I decided to buy this because I have a TV in my room and I always took my laptop there if I wanted to watch something there, because it's not a smart TV and it won't accept USBs or watch anything off the USB, and I also lost the remote, so I would have to go to the TV, press the on button, and then use my laptop from there. So that was fine. So I decided to buy this because it's an Android TV. It's also got a USB port, so I can just connect my hard drive there and watch from there. It's got all the basic stuff that I need: Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, the entire Google Suite, built-in Chromecast, assuming that I'm ever gonna use that. Well, I'm not actually sure what I'm gonna use this for. I mean, I don't even know how I'm gonna use it. I'll see how it goes. I'll probably use it for like a week or two and then do a review on it from there. So this is it, the Mi Box S. So now I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing for you guys. So I hope you all enjoy it. Okay, so here we have it, the Mi Box S 4K Ultra HD set-top box. So as you see there, Android TV, Netflix, YouTube. I don't use Red Bull TV, Spotify, Google Play Music. These other two I don't use. Powered by Android TV. Free HDMI cable. Oh, so nice of you. As you see there, attach Mi Box to TV, connect to internet, start streaming. Built-in Chromecast, Google Assistant built in, quad-core CPU, 3 plus 2-core GPU. They could have said a 5-core GPU, but I guess that would have sounded weird, okay? So I got my knife here. Let's just do that. That was very simple. Okay, don't need that anymore. So here we go. Here we have the Mi Box S. So I guess that is the place where you connect the power supply, USB port, HDMI port, aux input, right? Yeah, audio. Mi Box, very small and compact. I like it. Not that heavy either. So we got that there. What do we have here? Some paperwork. What's in the box? Okay, see that? Connect Mi Box. Okay, I got that. This is basically self-explanatory stuff, so I'm just gonna put this there. What else do we have in here? Another booklet that I'm not gonna read unless it's required. I'm not gonna read that either. So we open this up. So this is the power connector right there. This is the HDMI cable here. Feels very nice, very high quality, very nice. And here we have the remote. Very, very nice. Very nice. Okay. I guess we're starting off with the remote. Alright. Remote, volume buttons, I guess that's for the apps, that's to go back, I don't know what that is. Live, okay, Netflix, power button, Google Assistant button. Very nice. HDMI cable. That's that. HDMI cable. Pretty long. I don't think this is 1 meter though. Pop the cap off of there. I actually bought an HDMI cable as well, but that is not for this. It was for my mother because I stole her HDMI cable. So that's that. Here is the power brick. Very nice. I guess someone's doing it the wrong way. Yeah, that's that. Okay. I don't know how this is gonna be in my room. It looks a bit short, but hopefully it reaches. So yeah, that is the unboxing of this little box. I guess that's all I got. So let me actually try configuring this on this monitor that I have up here that you cannot see. Okay, so as you can see here, if you can see there, I'm not sure if it's clear, but I did get it set up. It wasn't that hard of a setup. All it asked me was to link my Google account that was on the Google account that I use with that. So I could either use this as a remote or my phone as a remote. Yeah, but probably just gonna use this. Buttons, really self-explanatory. In terms of what I was expecting, yeah, it does do. All I wanted to do is basically buy something that I can connect my hard drive to watch on my other TV. It does do that, but the problem is that I have to use VLC Media Player, and I honestly hate VLC Media Player. I hate VLC Media Player with a passion. I used to use it on my PC a very, very, very long time ago, probably something like 8 years ago. I used to use it on my PC. I really, really do not like it. Then I use it on the Xbox. Sometimes when the Xbox app doesn't support the format, I use it there, and it's even worse, so I don't know how the Android dedicated one works. I'm hoping it works better. I did try using it. I did use it. It was fine. I wasn't complaining yet. But in terms of other stuff, voice activation, this is pretty cool. Open VLC Media Player.
Opening VLC for Android.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube for Android TV.
So if you want to take
Open Spotify.
Opening Spotify Music for Android TV.
I guess I'm gonna use it for like a week. Then I will give you guys my verdict on it. Probably a week or two, I'll have a review out for this thing. And yeah, it's also a Chromecast, so if I do have my laptop with me in my room, I can just Chromecast everything there, but I doubt I'll use that feature that often. But this thing is pretty cool. So thank you all for watching. Now it's time for me to actually go put this thing in my room and use it. Peace.